Okay, what's up, guys? I'm just gonna show you in this video. I want to show you how OP this one kit is, and the kit is Elder King. As you can see on the description, it says Elder Tree. Collect tree orbs around the map to increase size and max HP. Cannot buy armor, so I'm gonna equip that. And look, this is my brother. Say hello. Hello. And yeah, so he's gonna be using Uzi, and we're just gonna go to doors.
I'm actually using
He's using
okay, I did.
So I'm gonna show you how OP this kit is indoors.
And
I have a really big win streak on this. So yeah, if you don't have it, go and get it. Also, I'm gonna be making a celebration when I reach 10 subscribers. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. You can see that I'm using the skin right. Oh, I think I could do what's invisible, bro.
It is.
How you hacking? Okay, you can see, as you can see, those little orbs things. I have to collect them in increase my thing, my health, and then yeah. Well, let's check if there's anything on the tree. Okay, good. Let's go.
I love zooming.
Do a lovely, nice birthday. Here, you just got anti-cheat.
No, I know.
What are you doing? Okay, they're rushing us. Maybe that's their time. Mate. Come on. Let's go. Wait, what? Mate, you didn't say any chance.
Hey, how many items do you have?
Okay, he has 60, which I'm gonna... Ah, I forgot. Okay, they built a nice, lovely bridge for us. How nice of them.
I'm kind of good, kind of badly.
You're both.
I know.
Hello. Damn it. Oh, the anti-cheat. Oh, the anti-cheat.
I just got one emerald.
Bro, that was mine. I have some iron. I need to buy blocks.
With chests.
There's no chest indoors, dude. You know that? What are you doing? But can I have my emeralds, sir? There we go. One orb. 120 health.
Wow.
139.
Ray,
Okay, this dude has made the biggest mistake in...
the whole tower.
Well, not in the entire... But you get what I mean.
I know.
He's rushing you. What? Hey, Hugo, that wasn't really good. Was it, eh? Oh. Okay. Sorry, didn't go very well. Not pretty good in this map. I'm gonna do it again.
Yes.
We never give up. Never gonna give you
You
up.
what? Never gonna let you down.
Lol. Okay, next game, if we don't catch these stubs, I am going to cry. Oh,
Oh,
look.
frick.
It's another elder tree. The twin.
I think we're gonna win, right?
Hello.
It's a 2v1.
Okay, I'll bridge to the middle. Okay? Our strategy is bridging to middle. I'm a god in this map. So we'll just finish. Oh, look. It's
Right there.
called luck.
What?
Anti-cheat, save me. Damn it.
Oh, frick.
What?
I hate me. If you know Fulton or Chicks, please watch it.
Okay, here's your getting blocks. Oh, you dingus. Can you just go there and break the bed? Dash over there. Come on.
That's over there.
Yes, you can. That's the range. You can have your emerald. I need emeralds.
How many?
2.
Why?
I need to buy a grapple hook.
What? No, you don't.
Yes, I do. You go. Stay there. Stay there. Stay. Oh, you dingus.
That's only 5.
Come on, I need emeralds.
You don't get them.
Oh, look, he's already here. Bro, Elder Tree, we can see you. Wow, such a good Elder Tree.
Totally.
Hugh, I need your emeralds.
I'm getting them for you.
Alright then. Hurry. Just gonna buy an axe. He's not a hacker. He's an Elder Tree. How? How does he even have armor? He's an Elder Tree. That's not armor, that's iron suit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, he has way more health than me. Oh look. Time to fight! 3, 2, 1, fight! Over here. You're my target.
Red, do you want damage? Red, you want damage?
Damn it.
Red,
Here, he's...
not dead.
That's damage. No, I need some iron. I need to buy iron sword. What are you doing?
I'm shooting the goals.
I'm not the goal, I'm a tree. Respect Mother Nature, mate. It's Mother Nature that you're talking to.
Okay.
Mother Nature. Alright, get me a more. I'll fight him again. Mate, you're not winning this time. Oh. Told you he wasn't.
Do we want?
Go for his...
Do you want the one?
25 damage. Oh, what? Hugo, we need you to get the bed.
Okay.
Also, I need your emeralds.
No.
No. Hugo, I need those emeralds.
Why?
I can smash him with those.
But can you give me one back?
I need one more.
You got it.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Time to break that thing. Oh, whoa. Not yet.
Not yet.
Hugo, I need you to hold him off. Do you have armor? No, you don't.
Right after this.
Good.
I need armor.
Let's go.
No, I need armor. I don't have a better sword.
We're catching the dubs, boys.
Catching the dubs, please. Me speed, please.
Hugo, don't go in there.
Why don't you go?
Wait.
Wow, there's teleport.
You have a teleport or something? Okay, let's go. You dash into him and then I hit. Ready?
Oh, come on.
You go over here. And you go over here.
Okay, little more.
Got him.
Little.
Let's go. Oh, don't go to bed. Thing. Oh, you.
Come on, I'm older for that. Yes, you got water.
Oh my god. I thought he never realized. He was just standing there. Bro, okay, I have a question for all of you guys watching. Where is the voiding doors? Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna go. Find him! Oh my god.
He has a diamond sword. What do you speak?
Oh, here you go.
He has an iron one. You think I'm bolted?
Okay, there we go. That. Got a bow. Who can beat me? No one.
Me. No one.
Easy.
You're low actually.
57.
Now, do you want second damage?
Bink.
You smell like a dirty underwear.
No, I don't.
I think the other team.
GG.
Actually, even more GG.
Oh my god. Whoa, 2 balloons? Oh, 3. What?
He can beat us? Beat us? They're coming. I just need it.
I can't get his bed. Oh, wait.
You might not even come with.
Oh, he just died.
Mate, I'm going to have a diamond spoon.
Easy bed. Black bed. Black bed. Here we go. That's the dubs, boys. See? So if you have enough health, it's already dubs. Didn't expect there to be one of those elder trees. You've broken a lot of blocks, I see.
5 blocks. Bruh.
So yeah, so that's how OP this is.
And goodbye.